Changing your payout method with Baraka Bank Egypt is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Baraka Bank Egypt website or open the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select payout method. In account settings, find the option for payout method or payment options. Click on this to view your current payout methods and available alternatives. Step 4. Choose your new method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SSROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm the changes, and you should receive a notification or confirmation message regarding the update. Make sure to check your email or account notifications for any further instructions or confirmations. Following these steps will help you successfully change your payout method with Baraka Bank Egypt.